A few things are coming to mind right now. And talks in terms of like wanting people to feel less alone. I was when we were taking Ubers, right? We all were in an Uber at some point, and I remember talking to my driver, and he's from Nigeria, and he was listening to Kenny Rogers. Kenny Rogers is a big country singer, and I'm like, did you put on Kenny Rogers because you think I like Kenny Rogers? Sometimes you get in the Uber, they put on music that they think that you'll like. Or I was like, or are you into Kenny Rogers? And he said, oh, in Nigeria, I'm doing a horrible Nigerian accent. Please forgive me. He goes, we love Kenny Rogers. We love country music. And I was like, really? And he said, yes, because we love stories. And that was such a powerful lesson to me of why, we love movies, right? Why certain artists are able to stand the test of time, whether you're talking about Prince or Michael Jackson. Why children's books are usually like the top sellers, whether you're talking about The Hobbit. We love stories. And it doesn't even have to be a story that is ours, just any story, beginning, middle, end. There's a podcast called The Moth, and they're huge because it's just people telling their stories. So in terms of feeling less alone, the way that we do that is just by sharing your story. And a lot of people, I think, are afraid to do that because they think that their story is too small. It's not grandiose. But I just shared on my Instagram story yesterday that I had 6 donuts for dinner. I was like, I had 6 donuts for dinner. How's your Wednesday going? Right? And the number of responses that I received was overwhelming. And it was a short story. It's ridiculous, but it resonated with so many people of like just the stress that they were feeling, or, oh yeah, I've been there, done that, or, sharing whatever food that they have. So no story is too small. It's too insignificant. One of the things that we talk about in therapy is there's no hierarchy of pain, meaning that whether you're suffering the pain of a job loss or chronic pain from chemotherapy, or pain from whatever else you're going through, there's no hierarchy. One pain, it doesn't trump the other. And so when we realize that, there's also no hierarchy of storytelling. You can tell your story, and there's somebody who will latch on and connect with that.